How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So let's begin. The very first option is to simply make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook, go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen if you're using iPhone, or you may be able to see it on the upper right on the rightmost part of the screen on Android. So then scroll down and look for settings and privacy. So once you're in settings and privacy, click on it and click on settings right here. Wait for it to load, and once you have done that, you may choose the very first option, which is personal and account information. So go on it and click on the very last option, which is account ownership and control. So click on it once again, and then click on deactivation and deletion. So click on deactivation and deletion and choose the delete account since you want to delete your account permanently. So click on delete account and click on continue to account deletion. And then wait for it to load. And then you should choose the option that you want, or you may also see the tips or um, Facebook will be suggesting you. So you may see text right here and click on continue to account deletion once you are done, or you may just simply proceed to account deletion if you don't want to choose the options right here. So click on continue to account deletion. You may choose deactivate your account on Messenger. You may go to activity log and etc. And you may also proceed directly to the delete account button found on the bottommost part of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can delete Facebook account permanently. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.